which Meta asserts that its new art-generating algorithm is the finest in its field. Meta asserts that its new methodology for creating art is the best available. While image generator quality has increased, the improvement has been slow and occasionally agonizing. However, Meta asserts that she has made progress. In awkward leetspeak, Meta introduced CM3 Leon, or Chameleon, an AI model that the business claims achieves cutting-edge performance for text-to-image generation. This novel approach uses 5 times fewer computational resources than older transformer-based methods, while still producing text-to-images at a state-of-the-art rate. It combines the adaptability and effectiveness of autoregressive models while maintaining low training costs and a great interference efficiency. The ability of Chameleon, a causal masked mixed modal CM3 model, to generate text and image sequences reliant on arbitrary sequences of other text and image content, outperforms that of earlier models. The strength and adaptability of autoregressive models are both present in CM3 Leon, along with the model's exceptional efficiency and cost-effectiveness during both the training and interference phases. The constraints of earlier models, which were only capable of executing text or image generation tasks, have been transcended by this huge improvement. The design of Chameleon is based on a decoder-only transformer, similar to well-known text-based models. But Chameleon stands out for its capacity to input and produce both text and graphics. This enables Chameleon to perform a variety of tasks, including prompt inquiries and model development with success. Diffusion models have recently taken over picture production efforts due to their superior performance and inexpensive processing costs. According to Meta's research on autoregressive multimodal models, on the other hand, token-based autoregressive models are known to also produce excellent outcomes, particularly better global picture coherence, while widely used programs like Stable Diffusion, DALL-E, and Midjourney have made AI-generated images more recognizable. Meta's AI methodology in developing Chameleon and the performance it promises to give mark a substantial advancement. Meta just revealed something that surprised everyone. Meta really unveiled the C3 Leon, a cutting-edge generative model for text and images that is more effective and, if you don't mind the simplicity, is essentially text-to-image. Now that websites like Midjourney that offer text and images have largely taken control of the text and image market, Chameleon is the first multimodal model trained with a recipe adapted from text-only language models, including a large-scale retrieval-augmented pre-training stage and a second multitask supervised fine-tuning SFT stage. The company claimed that using Chameleon's capabilities, the picture production tools can generate more cohesive imagery that more closely complies with the input requirements. Meta claims that Chameleon only needs 5 times as many processing resources and a smaller training dataset. Chameleon outperformed Google's Party text-to-image model and set a new standard for text-to-picture creation by achieving an FID, fresh at inception distance score of 4.88 when measured against the most popular image generation benchmark. Chameleon was trained on a dataset of only 3 billion text tokens, but despite this, its zero-shot performance is superior to that of larger models trained on larger datasets. Models like Chameleon may ultimately foster innovation and improve metaverse applications. It was said that future model releases and exploration of the limits of multimodal language models are both exciting to us. With a large-scale retrieval-augmented pre-training stage and a second multitask supervised fine-tuning SFT stage, Chameleon generates text-to-images with state-of-the-art performance despite having received 5 times less training data than earlier transformer-based techniques. Its ability to produce text and picture sequences conditioned on any sequences of other image and text content makes it a causal masked mixed modal CM3 model. The functionality of earlier models, which were either only text-to-image or image-to-text, is significantly increased by this. Image generation models are often tailored for specific tasks, as opposed to text-only generative models. They demonstrate that Chameleon performs noticeably better on tasks including picture caption production, visual question answering, text-based editing, and conditional image generation when we apply large-scale multitask instruction tuning. The characteristics of Chameleon allow image production tools to create more logical imagery that closely matches input instructions. The design of Chameleon is based on a decoder-only transformer, similar to well-known text-based models. But Chameleon stands out for its capacity to input and produce both text and graphics. This gives Chameleon the ability to successfully complete a range of tasks. Generative models like Chameleon are getting more and more complex as the AI sector develops. These models train on millions of sample photos to learn the relationship between visuals and text, but they may also reflect any biases found in the training data. This indicates that a robust performance may be achieved using a data distribution that is considerably different from that of all earlier models. They intend to promote cooperation and innovation in the field of generative AI by making our work transparent. They think that by collaborating, they may develop models that are not only more accurate, but also more equal and fair for all parties. They believe Chameleon's good performance across a variety of tasks is a step toward higher fidelity picture production and understanding, with the aim of producing high-quality generative models. Future releases of further models and explorations of the limits of multimodal language models are also eagerly anticipated. The process of replicating Chameleon involves numerous crucial elements and calls for competence in the following fields, that is, employing a large number of GPUs or TPUs, distributed the training of transformer models on a large scale, efficient preparation and data loading for large multimodal datasets, strategies for memory optimization to fit huge models within the GPU memory, implementation of a custom tokenizer for both text and image modalities, establishing a rich retrieval infrastructure during pre-training, building a system that can handle mixed text-image activities. Optimizations for interference include batching, lower precision processing, and compiler-accelerated decoders. The implementation of these components presents difficulties such as the effective use of massive compute clusters, reducing bottlenecks in data loading and pre-processing, optimizing memory consumption during training and interference, and ensuring low latency serving. With the help of this multimodal approach, images can be generated from text descriptions and vice versa. Although it has a far smaller learning base and less computational capacity than its rivals, Meta touts the ability to produce a more cohesive picture, especially when it comes to detail, and can thus react properly to cues. For example, a small cactus wearing a straw hat and neon sunglasses in the Sahara Desert, or a raccoon main character in an anime preparing for an epic battle with a samurai sword, are just a couple of the images Meta has shared to demonstrate its capabilities. Fantasy illustration of a warrior in a battle position, or possibly a fantasy-style stop sign with the words 1991 on it. Simple tweaks can be used to rectify errors and improve the image's quality. In the last few months, Meta has been particularly active in the field of artificial intelligence, releasing tools like Music Gen Tool, which can create music from simple text descriptions, the VoiceBox Studio, which can convert text into speech in various languages, and the artificial intelligence model Llama, which is currently only available to academic researchers. That's all for today. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Also, express your valuable thoughts in the comment section below. Until then, bye.